Hello, good morning to Documentary Bazan. Today's my topic is water scarcity in Pakistan, a growing concern for the country's future. Now let's get started. Now first we'll read the introduction. Water scarcity is a pressing issue in Pakistan affecting the country's food security, economy and population. Scarcity affects. Less food production refers to the reduction in the quantity and quality of crops grown due to water scarcity. This can lead to food insecurity, increased food prices, and malnutrition. Scarcity effects, economic impacts, refers to the negative effects of water scarcity on a country's economy, including reduces GDP growth, increased poverty, decreased economic productivity, loss of livelihoods. Scarcity affects another effect due to scarcity of water. Decreased population growth refers to the slowing down of population growth rates due to water scarcity. This can be caused by increased mortality rates, decreased fertility rates, migration to other areas. Bad management practices is the main scarcity effect. Now that's read refers to the inefficient and ineffective use of water resources, including over extraction of groundwater, inadequate water storage, poor irrigation system, lack of water conservation measures. Alarming statistics. Ranked Pakistan is ranked among the top 10 countries facing water scarcity and 1000 cubic meters of water per capita per year. It means Pakistan is ranked on the 10th number in facing water scarcity issue, and it is surprisingly only 1000 cubic meters of water per capita means individual per year. Now let's have a graph of water availability per capita. Pakistan has 1032, India has more than Pakistan 1544, China have 2074, US 7789, Canada with the best 181692, Australia 23649, Germany 1872, Saudi Arabia only 98 because it is not marked. Now the next one of topic is causes of water scarcity. Climate change, long term changes in temperature and precipitation patterns affecting water availability. Population increase in population leading to higher water demand. Inefficient water management, poor management of water resources including inadequate infrastructure and masterful practices. Now, our next topic is consequences of water scarcity. Number one, food insecurity, lack of access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food, leading to malnutrition and hunger. Co- Now, second one is economic impacts, negative effects on the economy, including reduced agriculture productivity, increased food prices, loss of livelihood, decreased GDP growth also. Consequences of water scarcity. Number three, social impacts, negative impact, increased poverty and inequality, reduces access to education and healthcare, increased migration and conflict, decreased quality of life. Food insecurity, reduced crop yields, decreased agriculture production due to factors like water scarcity, poor soil quality, or climate change, leading to food storages. Increased food prices, rise in food costs due to reduced supply, increased demand or other market factors making food less affordable for vulnerable population, malnutrition and hunger, inadequate nutrition and calorie intake leading to health problem and weakened immune system and even starvation. Impacts. The economic impacts of water scarcity are also significant. Reduces GDP growth, increased poverty, and decreased economic growth and productivity. We are all consequences of the crisis. Social impacts. Water scarcity also has severe impacts: increased migration, social unrest, and decreased quantity of life. All are effects of this crisis. Now come to the solution. So what can we do to address this crisis? Water conservation, water storage, and climate resilient agriculture are all solutions that can help us mitigate the effects of water scarcity. Now, thank you. We'll meet in another video. And first of all, I wanna clear that I have given the AI video later after this video. Thanks.